Mamo.
Yeah.
Is that your film number one according to you? You're also agreeing to that?
Why should I? तो ये नहीं करूँगी, वो नहीं बोलेगी, यंग गर्ल ना, खतरा लगता था कि ये गलत चीज़ हो जाएगी हमसे, वो गलत बात हो जाएगी, गलत गाना है, गलत मूवमेंट्स है, डबल मीनिंग डायलॉग्स है.
People used to approach the filmmaker and ask for a role.
I can't do that.
I mean, the soul comprises of the songs also.
Yeah.
What's happened to that?
No, don't touch that.
Where has it all disappeared?
That's what I say. Now people ask me, क्या difference है? आप क्या देखते हो picture में? Does it touch you?
You didn't accuse as the word has gone out.
फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का काला चिट्ठा खोल दिया. Nonsense. The industry is the most beautiful place in the world. Hello.
Farida ji, I am very, very thankful to you.
No, I'm thankful to you for your patience. I'm so sorry. This is happening after many, many days, and I'm sorry. I was a little
I won't say
busy.
how many days. It's
Okay.
many, many days, yes. But the very fact that you're doing it, this interview with me,
I'm loving it. So, sorry once again.
it's my honor to be sitting opposite you.
Thank you.
Because I know your first film was not Aradhna,
No.
it was
Takdeer.
before that.
Yes.
But when I close my eyes, I remember that song, Baagon Mein Bahar Hai. That comes to me.
I know. Because when people meet me, even now, beta, they start with this, Baagon mein bahar hai? And I say, hai. I don't go into the na phase at all. I say, hai.
But I want to ask you straight that, you should have taken the route of becoming a heroine.
Who am I to do that, Vicky?
No, I mean,
People have to put you there.
today, sister roles to aaj to hai hi nahi. You took that route. We'll come to the quality of movies also very soon.
Okay.
But you didn't pursue. You didn't call up the producers and say, I want to be a heroine only. उन दिनों में casting agents तो नहीं थे. नहीं थे. तो कैसे था वो उन दिनों में? People used to approach the filmmaker and ask for a role. How was it? Or the filmmaker used to call directly?
Always. I was always called by the filmmaker. I don't know how would an actor go and ask for work. I don't think that's not my scene at all, but I can't do that. Ever. And बहुत इज्जत से लोग आते थे घर पे. My mother used to look after my work. I was a very, very young girl then, just out of school when I started with Takdeer. And she was always there and she used to tell me, ये producer ने phone किया, वो producer ने phone किया. And she would, of course, hear everything about it. She was very protective, overprotective about me.
She came on the set?
Always. When she always did. After once I got married, they said no.
But that was much later, 78.
78, yeah. Otherwise, I was always accompanied by mommy, all outdoors, indoors, everywhere. But those were the best days when mommy was around.
So you didn't chalk out your career. You said, okay, let's go with the flow.
You had to do that. I don't think, I really wonder, do actors go and ask for work? I mean,
उन दिनों में भी होता था.
I don't know about this.
I'm told that.
मैंने कभी नहीं मांगा. And Allah के फजल से, they used to come home and narrate what they had in mind, and you'd say yes or no to that. That's. On those days now, more no's than yes, because you're a little careful now, beta. I'm one of those who, like I've always said, draw your lines and live within them all your life. तो ये नहीं करूँगी, वो नहीं बोलेगी, young girl ना, तो बहुत खतरा लगता था कि ये गलत चीज़ हो जाएगी हमसे, वो गलत बात हो जाएगी, गलत गाना है, गलत मूवमेंट्स है, डबल मीनिंग डायलॉग्स है, कितनी चीज़ों को हम. So I was doing lesser work when I was young and really dying to go, and I'm doing more work now because now there are no do's or don'ts. माँ के रोल में आप क्या करेंगे मुझसे?
But you rejected films.
Quite a few.
There were double meaning dialogues. There were clothes which you.
Yeah.
They asked you to wear which you didn't want to.
Just what I'm trying to tell you. Yeah, of course. तो उस वक्त मुझे जितना काम करना चाहिए था उससे कम किया. After marriage, and I took this 7-8 years का मैं नहीं थी in films for about 7-8 years. That gap happened, and I came back in the mother's role, and then now the dadi's role. So I'm more comfortable. I say yes to more work, as you can see. I was in practically every second film. There was a phase after I came back in Hina, the 90s. I feel like when I look back, the 70s belonged to me, the beginning of my career, and the 90s belonged to me as a character actress. I did lots of work and lots of good work.
So when you said no to those films, which which you were careful about, you're
Yeah.
saying, many of them went on to become hits. Any regrets?
Not at all.
They became hits.
Yeah, I think quite a few. I wouldn't regret for doing something which I believed in. I must not do.
Was it your decision or your
Mine?
mom's decision?
Of course, mom also. Definitely, my mother also. And I'm happy. I'm very proud of the fact that I lived by her terms, and I'm so happy.
You're not going to name those films?
No, doesn't look nice.
Okay.
And then वो लोग तो अभी है भी नहीं कुछ तो why should I know? Not right.
How was your experience in the first, as a leading man with Rajesh Khanna?
Very nice. I was the nervous one because romance, I'm a convent girl, socho aap. Then my upbringing is like I had a nanny and a mummy in my life because my parents, they went through this divorce when I was barely 2, I believe. So the father figure was never around, na? So Nani, her mother, my grandmother,
Yeah.
and mummy, and my elder brother Khalid, and me. Just foursome. Itni choti family. And that's how we grew up. And I was a little shy. Straight out of school, in fact. And romantic gana tha, and romantic scenes bhi the with Rajesh Khanna. Rajesh Khanna became a very, very big superstar, jisko hum bulate hain. He did, yes, and wow, I witnessed it all. After Aradhna, if you remember. Aradhna put him on that pedestal. And then up to Raste. And then the line is like never ending after that. Hit after hit after hit. But during Aradhna, I was very kachi. I had just done Taqdeer. And I was shooting for Gopi in those days when Aradhna was on the sets. So I was a little unsure of many things, romantic scenes especially. Otherwise, bindas. So Sharmila ji, who we used to call Rinku Di, all my life I've called her Rinku Di. She was such a pillar of support to me and so beautiful, that lady from within. अंदर बाहर में खूबसूरत वैसे भी है. And she took over and she looked after me and would be so protective all the time. कुछ 19-20 बात हुई, मेरा फेस उतर जाता था. She used to come inside me and शक्ति दा को भी बोल देती थी, कुछ राजेश को भी बोल देती थी. So she was lovely. God bless her. So those memories will always stay. Then there was a romantic song, the Nanana song, which is so popular, Baagon Mein Bahar Hai. So I was conscious and this. I remember once I asked for an extra rehearsal. I said, "Kitne rehearsal?" He said something like that, and that put me off for the rest of the film.
Rajesh Khanna said.
He must have been fed up of the rehearsal, and I asked for one more. I was unsure. And that's also when Rinku Di came to my support. How can you say this? We'll have 10 more. She was a darling. So Shakti Da was also very sweet, very kind to me. He understood where I was coming from, you know. So then, but इसलिए मैं ज़रा put off हो गई थी. लेकिन एक बात बताएं कि after the release of Aradhna, it became a super duper hit. It went on to do a silver jubilee, then a golden jubilee, then a diamond jubilee as well. 75 weeks. आज की तरह थोड़ी कि 3 दिन में पता चल जाता है फिल्म यहाँ है या वहाँ है, हिट है, फ्लॉप है. We used to tell genuine 25 weeks means what? And then golden and then diamond. This film went on to do a diamond jubilee. Then the distributors of each sector would call us to give us the trophy of the diamond jubilee and silver jubilee. Function बाकायदा उनके शहर में होता था. You should go down to Chennai for those, that distributor, and in Bombay, of course, and Delhi, of course. So during those functions, I became very close to Kaka.
Okay.
तब हमारी दोस्ती भी काश के सेट पे होती. बहुत हंसी मजाक, साथ उठना बैठना, ये दावत वो बात, all of us together. Sharmila ji, Rajesh, me, and Sujit Kumar. We were called and invited everywhere to all the functions. So we became very neat, close, foursome. And that's when I became very close to Kaka. In fact, he was very sweet. He became extra good to me then. He was very, very sweet. He had such stardom. And those functions I've seen with my own eyes of girls falling all over. यहाँ साइन करो, वहाँ साइन करो, यहाँ ऑटोग्राफ दे दो, यहाँ दे दो, कोई all that. So he's look at me and say, see, you should do that. I say, yeah, good, Mubarak tumko.
You are playing with your eyes just like he did.
Acha. Okay.
Okay, then after that, which was your second memorable film? Which would you put?
Gopi. But Gopi did me a lot of good to be working with the great Dilip Kumar. वो जो रिश्ता भाई बहन का उस फिल्म में बना, वो till he was here, he was that rishta tha. I used to call him Bhaijan all my life. I would go across to meet him very often as I could. वो रिश्ता बना रहा. राज सारे जी के साथ forever का रिश्ता है. And बस we are like family forever. He as an actor, of course, you get so much to learn. The whole industry, अगर आप गौर से देखें तो, they have all imitated him some way or the other. He has been that eternal, this greatest actor of India. I totally believe that. There is no other Dilip Kumar for me. तो I remember that उस फिल्म को मैंने हाँ इसलिए कहा कि I admired him, I loved him, and I loved the role also. It was a very good role. And उस फिल्म में दिलीप साहब, सायरा बानो, ओम प्रकाश, निरूपा आंटी, निरूपा रॉय, प्राण साहब, जॉनी वॉकर, दुर्गा कोटे, सुदेश, अब यू नेम इट, द सीनियर मोस्ट एक्टर्स वर इन गोपी. सबसे छोटी कौन थी? लिटिल वन, लिटिल कच्ची. द वे ही लुक्ड आफ्टर मी, विकी, दैट मैन. वो सही बातों में वो फादर फिगर जो है, ही वाज देयर till he was around, he's there and he's still there, I feel. So that was a great experience working in Gopi. And also डांटते थे मुझे बीच बीच में, कभी मेरे डेटों में, because lots of films were coming my way and I should not give a date here, then he डांटते थे, ऐसा नहीं. I used to do without work to be part of a Mehboob Khan film when I had no work. I used to leave work for that one film which I want. You should do that. Pick and choose your films. Can't be in every film. बहुत 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 प्यार से समझाते थे, मुझे याद है. Well, then after Gopi, I of course वो छाप लग गई थी बहन वाली, because दिलीप कुमार की बहन किसको नहीं चाहिए. It was that actually. That set it for me. Any hero would say, दिलीप कुमार वाली बहन, this role, forget her. I got lots and lots of
that
work.
opened the floodgates actually.
Absolutely. Absolutely. But then sister roles now. So people keep telling me sister roles kya kya. Why won't I say yes to those roles? Why? I would love. And ऐसा भी था ना विकी, so many sister roles were better than the heroine roles of the film I was doing. The sister was part of the story, taking the story forward, this character that I was playing. And she was there to do the dancing or the singing or the romantic scenes. बाकी सारा ड्रामा अगर मेरे पास है, why would I say no just because it's a sister's role? Just because of that? No, no.
Some heroines minded that you had the meat and they didn't have.
I think they did. And they also voiced it in some places. But that's okay.
And their behavior towards you changed on the set?
Sometimes. Not always. Sometimes, yeah. Don't ask me who. I'm not going to tell you.
You know the next question was that.
I know. I knew you. I know you so well.
Okay. So after that, while I asked you that you didn't go to pursue as a heroine, I totally understand that it started giving you continuous work, 100%. Which is very important, because I'm still of that thought.
Yeah.
The question apart, that you know, getting work is very important.
Absolutely.
Because आपने 4 फिल्में कर दी एज अ हीरोइन, बाद में घर बैठ गए,
क्या फायदा?
कुछ फायदा नहीं है. वो 4 में से 1 चली, 2 चली.
That's what I said. The 70s belonged a little to me, and the 90s when I came back with Hina. Lovely.
I said when I close my eyes, I remember you in Aradhna. But now let me tell you which is my best scene according to
Tell me.
What I have seen. I'm not saying that I've seen every film of yours. Let me be very honest. I may have missed a few.
100%.
I would say there's a scene in Majboor where you are laughing and you start crying.
Yeah. Vicky, that's
with
so
Pran.
Nice.
You remember that scene, of course.
You touched something when you're saying this, because पर मजबूर पूरी फिल्म बन गई थी. We had done that घर का scene and that गाना मैं नहीं देख सकता तुझे रोते हुए, which went on to become so popular. Then when he's in jail, Amitabh ji, and the little boy sings the same song to me. लता मंगेशकर की आवाज में वो छोटा सा जो मेरा छोटा भाई है वो गाता है, because remembering him and all. So it was emotional, मतलब, and how I used to literally be crying on the sets. I didn't need glycerin at all. And after that, I remember there was वो scene खत्म हो गया, set खत्म हो गया. One day Prem ji, he was the producer of the film. His name was Prem ji, very close to Dilip Saab. Darling man, very nice man. He calls me and says, Farida, हमको आपके घर आना है with Salim Javed and आपसे कुछ बात करनी है. I said, जी बोलिए. No, I did a scene I want to tell you about. I was thrilled. तो मेरा सेट तो खत्म हो गया था घर का. They were doing other scenes. So I said, yeah, please आप आज तशरीफ लाए. And they all came to the house. I was in Reshma Apartments opposite Dilip Saab's bungalow in Pali Hill.
Oh.
Sarabi's bungalow. And Sunil Dutt's bungalow.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
opposite Reshma Apartments.
Yeah.
I was in that building at that. My first flat I had bought was that.
Yeah.
They came there and they narrated this scene. It was added.
Achha, this was not
No, not part of the
there.
script I'd heard first.
Oh.
So I said that I was thrilled. I couldn't sleep that night. And they came and narrated the scene. Salim Bhai, Javed Bhai. They came and narrated the scene that gets a little this curiosity that क्या ऐसी बात है इसके घर में, इसके background में कि he's taken on this, ले लेता है ना कि I have murdered. He takes that thing on himself ना, something ऐसा कुछ था. So why did this man do this? I have to know the backstory. And he comes home to see.
Yeah.
And I'm on my wheelchair, I'm fretting and dying for my brother to come back. And he comes to us and he says, and I try to be very happy. नहीं, भैया, I'm his friend from so-and-so place, I've come. नहीं, वो कहीं बाहर गए हैं, we lie to him, he's gone out. ऐसा कुछ बोलते हैं, we don't tell him about the jail thing at all. And then फिर भी प्रूव करता है कुछ थोड़ा. नहीं, हम तो बहुत हंसते हैं घर में, ऐसा हंसते हैं कि इतनी बातें करते हैं भैया, हम लोग इतना हंसते. They said, you can't pull it off anymore, and that's when you break and you cry. Wow, that was something for any actor, Vicky. I think if you talk about this kind of scene to any actor, they would give it full marks. They want to grab it.
Because I believe that is the yardstick to judge an actress. If you can do these two in one breath,
Yeah.
which I saw even Padmini Kolhapuri doing in Prem Rog. You remember that?
She's a lovely actress. I feel like crying now, but just narrating it to you, Vicky, because emotions come back,
Yeah. And that dialogue which Pran says, I think that's the
ultimate.
That's the ultimate of the
because he
movie.
understands the whole
मैं
thing.
माइकल डिकोस्टा कसम खाता हूँ
कसम
Jesus Christ
खाता हूँ,
की
हाथ पे सर रख के हाथ.
कि तुम लोग फिर से हंसोगे.
Yeah, wow, yeah.
And that repeats in the end.
Yeah, true.
So where is all that gone?
I don't know. I don't know. I feel sad.
You've seen it all. You're still in the midst of thick of things.
Yeah, of course.
We've just done Hira Mandi.
Yes.
But if you see the movies which are coming,
I know what you're saying.
Where has it all gone? Where has it all disappeared? I mean, the Salim Javed taking a personal interest in one scene, 5 lines, 10 lines, every line.
We don't have Salim Bhai and Javed Bhai together. We need to do something about that. But तो writers ना actually writers भी तो ऐसा सोचते नहीं है हर एक character के लिए in the film. शायद वो depth नहीं रही अब. That's what I say now. People ask me क्या difference है. There's no soul now. है ना? That's missing ना. In fact, when I saw Majboor, there was a special show for Dilip Saab was very close to Premji. So they had a special show and I was sitting with Dilip Saab and Sarabhi and the film started. The first shot, if you remember, Vicky, was me laughing on the wheelchair, coming out of my room, and my brother's waiting for me. Amitabh has just come from his work, and I come out and I'm laughing and because I read lots of joke books and all that is what they established. I'm laughing, going to pieces on that wheelchair, and he says, "अच्छा, कैसा क्या joke पड़ा?" मैं बताती हूँ. ऐसा है, एक आदमी है, उसका पड़ोसी है. I'm not being able to complete what I'm saying, and I'm just laughing and laughing and laughing and saying 2 words and again laughing. And वो scene में था, and then he says, "वाह वाह रेनू, बहुत अच्छा joke है." Because I haven't said the joke yet, and I'm still laughing. So I remember Dilip Saab did this to me. Very good. For that laughing wala scene. It's difficult to laugh, beta. Very easy to cry. He understood.
Yeah.
That was the biggest trophy when Bhaijan said, very good. Oh Lord, I can't tell you what it meant to me. I was crying there and then with khushi.
So there is no soul,
Now,
you say.
Where is it? आप क्या देखते हो picture? Does it touch you? नहीं, but it doesn't touch me. I'm sorry, but.
So do you go to theatres to
I
see
go.
movies?
PVR is just next to me. God sent है ये जगह मेरे लिए because that's my favorite place also.
Do you really enjoy the experience?
Yeah, I do, but of course, I feel इससे better हो सकता है, ये उससे अच्छा था, ये उससे अच्छा हो सकता था, ये उससे ये होता.
Just the experience of taking a coffee for 400 rupees and then coming home and
That
lamenting.
doesn't matter. I have to see a film every time. वो हमारी खुराक है, फिल्में देखना, फिल्मों
To
की
keep
बातें
abreast of what's happening.
of course. Or I can see it on my television and I can see it on OTT and everything, but I love going to the theatre. That I'll never give up. कभी कभी तो इतनी चाल में मेरे फर्क आ गई थी आफ्टर माई स्लिप डिस्क हैपेंड. आई एम स्टिल नॉट वॉकिंग लाइक आई हैज टू वॉक. इट विल टेक अ मंथ और 2 more I think for me to get back that gate. But I don't even walk with the sara of my son. He takes me holding my hand. कभी सीढ़ियाँ आ जाती, कभी कोई जाता, but I want to go to the theatre and I go.
Farida ji, tell me one thing. You did so many movies. You were written about. Interviews, snippets.
Yeah.
Did you have any unpleasant rumor about yourself?
About myself?
Yeah.
No.
In the media? Nothing, right? कुछ नहीं आया जैसे किसी को किसी के साथ लिंक अप कर देते हैं.
नहीं, कर ही नहीं पाए ना, हमने मौका ही नहीं दिया ना. नहीं दिया हमने मौका. कोई वैसा कोई लिंक अप तो हुआ ही नहीं. हाँ, I get a little affected by people saying that I have said things like अभी था इंटरव्यू में कहीं कि बहुत फर्क आ गया शाहरुख खान में. Why would I say such a thing? In fact, if I said that, I must have meant that शाहरुख खान, I mean, फर्क नहीं, अच्छा फर्क आया अगर आया है तो. वो जो थोड़ा सा जो कच्चा भी था वो तो आज now he's seasoned into such a seasoned actor he's become. He's like the best in fact we have. And Shahrukh used to be so full of beans. I remember doing a film Duplicate as his mother. On the sets, Mahesh Bhatt used to परेशान हो जाते थे. ये आपको करना है, आपको इसे can I do this? नीचे बैठ रहा है, उठ रहा है. I used to be exhausted looking at him. मैं थक जाती थी. I was like, what are you doing? He was often, can I do this like this? Can I do this like this? I was in Mauritius in one shot. I go to the hotel and I mess up things. I'm the mother. Who wants to mess up, do something good for him, but I mess up his things. He's cooking or something, and I put something else in the cooking and all. So in that scene, I was coming towards the hotel. He says, can I carry her? Huh? I was like, and Mahesh was laughing. Okay, Shahrukh. I said, pick me up. That was Shahrukh. I've seen that Shahrukh. My God, वो बंदा नहीं बनता तो कौन बनता? सुपरस्टार किंग खान कौन बनता अगर वो नहीं बनता?
Brimming with
इतना
so much energy.
madness for his work.
So
मैं
much
कैसे और
energy.
करूं? मैं कैसे इसको improvise करूं? मैं और क्या करूं? That was Shahrukh Khan. If he's still like this, I would like to work with him and see for myself. कि क्या बात है ना? He was. Full points.
But you met him at a funeral recently.
Yeah, that was quite a few years ago. In fact, there was a little slope I was walking down. And
Not too long ago. And you,
I think, yeah.
and you'll...
And he had just come into that. And I was finished. I was walking out. He was going in, I think. And our eyes met, I remember. And I was having a little difficulty in the slope. I was getting a little carefully. I was going to get. And he saw that. And he, God bless him, he ran across. And he held my hand and till the car. He took me to the car, sat me in. That's Shahrukh Khan. So salam to you, my dear son. Love you.
Tell me more about your 70s and 80s. Your life, especially after marriage. How you fell in love with the man you married. I think you all met on the sets of Jeevan Rekha.
The film was called Jeevan Rekha. Irony. And Jeevan Rekha मिल गई हमारी. And
But क्या हुआ? Love story कैसे शुरू हुई?
I see, he was very different ना बेटा. He comes from a small town, Bhatkal, and he was very straightforward. No hanky-panky. You sit in a corner, read a book, I remember. In fact, I didn't like him in the beginning when I was doing Jeevan Rekha with him. I thought he was such a proud man. He doesn't mingle. People are all over me. They're joking with me and laughing, and we're all the heroes I was working with.
ये मुझे importance नहीं दे रहा है.
हाँ, मुझे वो तकलीफ हुई होगी. Thank you, so right. मुझे वो तकलीफ हुई होगी. ये मुझे दिखता भी नहीं, important नहीं देता, बात भी नहीं. Sitting and reading a book, I asked my mother, "Mummy, कितना घमंडी, look at this new boy." And anyways, after that, he began to talk a little. He would ask for a lift in the car while going from Khandala, shooting in Khandala, going to Bombay. My mother was always very kind to him. Of course, beta, it's such a sweet, such a sharif aadmi hai. Little by little, he began to talk to me, walk to me. And then one day, he comes with a rose in his hands, puts it on the table. Then I began to feel, there is something happening here. But he was bold enough to propose marriage straight away.
Straight away?
Yeah. And I liked that. Nobody. He just knew that he wanted to marry me,
And you
any
didn't,
girl,
and you didn't,
any girl would love that.
and you didn't say like the girls of today, I need time to think.
No, no, I didn't say that. I said I've got lots of films. He didn't want me to be in the midst of shootings and all. He said, "Can you leave films for a while at least? Can you do that?" I said, "We'll think about that. But at the moment, I've got too much work." I pushed. We had an engagement, and then we pushed the marriage to 3 years more. I got married in 78.
Was that the reason you took the break?
Post marriage? No, no. It's because we
He
went
didn't
away.
want you to do films.
He didn't. He wanted me to put a little gap. He wanted that little gap. Because शादी के 4 दिन बाद आप शूटिंग पे जाए, अच्छा मुझे भी नहीं लगता. I wouldn't have felt good myself. So that was accepted it.
When you came back to a serial like Age Your Zindagi
Yeah.
and even Dekh Bhai Dekh later, because that requires continuous shooting.
Absolutely.
I mean, ऐसा नहीं है कि 15 दिन किया तो 30 दिन का break मिलेगा.
Yeah, but that happened after I came back with Hina, na?
Yeah.
Then we all came back from Bangalore to Bombay. Because
Achha, you all shifted back.
We shifted back. We wanted Yasin to go to the Jamnabai Nursery School, all that for Yasin.
Yeah.
So coming back to Bombay was always on the cards, this way or that.
Yeah.
And he had a few problems with his factory there. That was also happening at the same time. God decides
So overall,
everything.
it was a correct
mutually,
decision.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
Right timing, actually.
Which film did he like the most of yours?
He said Paris Majboor. He said that to me many, many times.
Okay. And which is your best according to you?
You tell me, who am I to say that?
I
हमने तो
told
अपना
you,
काम
Majboor.
किया. Ah, so good. I'm happy. Majboor was.
In
one
a
of
way, I
my-
told you.
You did. Thank you for that. Lovely. Yeah.
You're also agreeing to that?
Why should I? My
Majboor?
best is yet to come.
That's
Yes.
lovely.
Of course.
That's a very high note to end on. And I thank you once again from the bottom of my heart for this interview.
Thank you. In fact, I don't want this interview to end. I'm enjoying myself so much. God bless you, Vicky. Lovely, lovely, lovely talking to you. God bless you.
Thank you so much.